Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day. It's Wednesday, August 21st. Hey, I want to say a shout out to my son. It's his first day at school, back to school. So, want to say happy back to school, guys. First off, let's start off here. We do actually got some data here to report on the economic calendar. We'll start off with the existing home sales for the month of July. So in June, we had 5.29 million annualized units. Forecasters calling for uptick to 5.4, and it came up a slightly higher at 5.42 million. Sorry about that, just a typo right there. But 5.42 million, not Mondays, but 5.42 million there. Annualized units. So we had a little bit higher uptick in there, and that's obviously a good sign that we're getting a little bit more sales in the housing department. And then later today, by 11 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, the Fed minutes will be released. Will kind of give us some insight as to uh, the Fed's thinking behind the rate cuts and what they might be looking for moving forward. So this is going to be key. And then, of course, as we talked these last 2 days, the Fed will be, or there'll be some Fed members, including Powell, will be speaking at the Jackson Hole Summit tomorrow and Friday. So that's going to be an important time where we're going to be listening to those, see what he says, and see if there's any indication as to what's going to happen in terms of rate cuts, when we can expect more rate cuts, if he's even thinking of that. And of course, the president's been criticizing him for lack of rate cuts, or at least he wants more rate cuts. I think he even said the other day he thinks that he should cut it another 1% almost immediately. Let's jump over headline news. Stocks are up today. It's taking its cue from earnings reports. So we had some pretty good earnings reports, like yesterday, as mentioned. Home Depot was a good one, but today some of the big name ones are Target and Lowe's looking really good. And of course, they're kind of forgetting about the U.S.-China trade negotiations, so they're kind of looking more at the Italian earnings reports. The Italian Prime Minister Conte resigns. There was some controversy going over there where he thought they might have a snap Parliament, do some more re-elections, which was kind of disrupting the yields, and the yields are kind of rebounding a little bit as a result of that as well. Kind of disruption over there. So let's kind of jump ahead again to the bond market, see what we're looking at. We're currently down about 3 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we were up a bit higher yesterday, about all the way up, I think it was about 17 basis points, but we pulled back and closed only up 9 basis points from when we left off on Tuesday. So from here, we closed up only about 9 basis points. And we started the morning off even lower, but we're up a little bit for the day. And currently we're down about 3 basis points. So we're still about the same as where we were. We've been kind of this mid-range here, what we're kind of seeing. By the time they come out with the pricing should be about the same as what we saw even yesterday. It's not quite enough a big of a swing for it to really have much of an effect on the pricing for interest rates here or mortgage rates here. Here's the yields. We're up to about 1.57. We're still trying to fight above this barrier here, and still kind of keeping below it. So it's been a pretty strong ceiling of resistance. We're in this pretty slim pattern here, as you can see here. So that's pretty much a wrap for the day. We do have, if you guys are looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. I am a loan officer. I can help you guys out. The best way to reach me is direct message or DM me. I am, again, loan officer. The company I work with is CMG Financial. We do all 50 states, so even if you're in another state, we can assist you in that capacity. We carry all loans out there, from jumbos to conventional to FHA, VA, USDA, and we carry some niche loans for loans specifically for real estate investors. So we got bank statement loan programs, which have been very popular for self-employed borrowers, and we got foreign national loans. And then we also got some great loans like our all-in-one loan, which has been fantastic. It's the only loan that I've seen out there that's actually principal first to help you pay off your mortgage much quicker and save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in terms of um, uh, interest payments. So this has been a great loan. It gives you a lot of flexibility and control over your mortgage. Uh, so if you're interested in learning more about these, come again, contact me. Home Fund is also another program I would highly suggest. Great loan program for a lot of different people. It's a down payment program, not only for first-time home buyers, for a lot of different people. It's great for those who have been displaced from their homes, from divorce to natural disasters like wildfires, to hurricanes, to tornadoes, earthquakes, different things of that nature. This could be great. This could be also used as a wedding registry, which is another one. And I would highly encourage any future homeowner that's a college graduate, or even if you think you're going to be a future homeowner, maybe check into this. This could help you out to become. You could. There's some areas in there we could discuss later, but direct message me. But there's some. We can get you started helping you with the down payment as you get closer. So again, it's a very unique program. Contact me, direct message me, or DM me, and we can discuss it further. You guys have a great rest of your day. We'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.